Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just did this intro literally 2 seconds ago, but I'm doing an intro for this video instead of the last video I did, which I figured I'd just kill two birds with one stone. I hate saying that, but I don't want to kill no birdies. But yeah, kill two birds with one stone. What is this video? This is my empty house tour. By the way, don't mind the actual video itself. I had about 30 minutes to film this video. I didn't have my camera with me. I used my phone. Well, I used Andrew's phone, and Andrew actually basically brought you around the house. It would have been better if I had brought my camera because my lens is more like wide, so it like captures more of the image than my phone does. But yeah, so don't mind the video. If I could have re-recorded it, I definitely would have, but I had no time. By the time I could have, we already had all of our stuff in our house, and it was whatever. It was a mess. But so if you want to see my empty house tour, just keep on watching.
Hey guys, and welcome to our home. So the first thing that we got a nice door because Jordan points out the door. All right, we actually get the sliding door that leads right to our bathroom. Go ahead and take a look.
There's me. Just the toilet.
Then the next thing it leads to, we get a little coat closet here.
Nice.
So here guys, this is the main part that Jordan loved. This is the kitchen. The only thing she does not like is the white stuff.
The white appliances. Ooh. This is our kitchen.
Behind you is actually the laundry room.
This is our laundry room. That's nice. I like having an actual room for the laundry. Yeah, I like our old kitchen better, guys. Sorry. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna continue over here.
So we have our dining area, and we also have our living room. The door that's locked is actually where we hide our dead bodies.
And I love this part as well. We have a nice big window, but we have an outside, guys. We have like our own little like this little porchy thing, which we can actually keep our chairs and stuff on here when they mold and put it back. You know what I'm saying? Like. But we have this, and we have a little storage right here. Okay, but we have like a little yard.
Let's leave up the stairs. Alright guys, we're gonna head upstairs now.
Oh, cute booty.
Oh,
Cute booty. I feel like I'm talking to Gray.
so this is what I'll call the intersection.
Mm-hmm.
We got a little linen closet. And then the first room we'll be looking at is Jordan's makeup room.
Yeah, the small one.
She's trying to get me to give her Gray's room, which is me.
It's so weird because you're so tall, so it's hard for me to like. This is my makeup room, guys. I will be turning it into something so freaking cute.
So these are brand new built, and this will be Gray's room.
I love that Gray's room is nice and big, which this was my makeup room, but that's okay.
And this is Gray's closet. It's huge.
Big old closet. So this is a nice room.
The bathroom.
The same bathroom is downstairs. I look like crap, don't mind me. And don't mind our toilet, for some reason it's not flushing right. But this is our bathtub. We have a bathtub this time, guys. I love it. Greg can take cute little baths now. But yeah, so that is our bathroom. Brown floors. Okay, let's go. No?
And this would be the master bedroom.
This is our bedroom. I so wish I had a bathroom in here. That would have been so awesome, but I don't. That's okay. We have two closets. We have like a walk-in closet right there.
If I walk around my stuff out, nothing will see it.
Yep, and our view is just our backyard. So it's really nice, woodsy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're wondering, this is actually my Valentine's Day tutorial look, which you will see in a couple days. Sunday, I'm posting it on Sunday. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my empty house tour. You probably didn't. The quality was terrible, the audio was probably terrible, everything about it was terrible. I couldn't record it like my last one. But yeah, it's so weird recording two empty apartment tours within a couple months. But yeah, so we moved again and we are now closer to our hometown, which I'm so excited about because we were hours and hours away before now. And I'm really excited that we moved again. I love both of these apartments right now. I hate that these are yellow walls. Oh my god, they get me every time. I don't know why they could just do white walls, but they say yellow makes you happy. Blah, 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 blah. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I'm rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for my next tutorial, or please stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a Valentine's Day tutorial that I really think you guys are going to love. And yeah, I'm going to be posting once a week now, so definitely turn on the notifications if you don't have them on already, because you'll be seeing a lot more of me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and please subscribe down below, and yada yada yada. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you.